Look what I have in my hands. This has just arrived in the post. These are 2 advance copies of my book. This is my first children's picture book with the Cuddleecats, and nothing could prepare me for this exciting moment. I just don't know how I'm going to feel when I open this. It is just so exciting. All of my life I have wanted to print and publish my very own children's picture book, and for all of you who know me, I've printed other Learn to Draw books, I've been printed in magazines, but nothing compares to the excitement of having a children's picture book in my hands right in this moment. So I'm going to share this moment with you as I open the book, and I just can't wait to see it. So come and have a look. So I've got my craft knife. Oh my goodness, in I go. Got to remember to keep my hands away in my excitement. You're going to see me battling through this unboxing because I have no idea how I'm supposed to actually open it, but I really appreciate it that it is so, you know, beautifully boxed to protect those little books inside. Gosh, it's glued down so solid, but I like that. We wouldn't want it to fall out along the travels, would we? Okay, so that's one end. Oh my gosh, I can see it in there. And I'm actually nervously excited as I'm doing this. I feel like a little kid opening up a Christmas present. I guess I just don't really know what to expect, although I've had so many indications from all of the proofs I've been sent, you know, all of the mock-up book, you know, the mock-up book and everything I've been sent. So I know it's going to be beautiful. But oh my gosh, here it is. Just take that off. And now, opening this, look how beautifully that is packaged. Packaging is just so important, isn't it? When you see that somebody has respected the product so much, they've packaged it so beautifully, it just makes you realise there really is such a valuable treasure inside. Oh, look at this. There's another layer too of packaging. Oh, this reminds me of Pass the Parcel and all that hesitation, you know, that you go through and just thinking, oh my gosh, what is it going to be? What is the present going to be? Here we go. This is the big moment. Look, I'm literally shaking. I'm so excited. That is hilarious. Oh gosh. What little treasure lays inside. Oh my goodness. Are we ready? Are we ready? Oh! Wow. I feel a bit teary. I'm only looking at the cover and I'm just so excited about how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look inside. This is so, so beautiful. Obviously, I'm not going to show you all the pages, but I mean, look at the spine. Look at that. Oh, the little Cuddlecat's paw prints. And the back. It's just as I imagined it, but it just feels so surreal to actually hold it. It's just so incredibly beautiful. Here we go. Wow. Look at that. This has been a 5-year journey to get to this point because I've been doing it in between everything else I'm doing. Look at the way it opens. Oh my goodness, look at the beautiful stitch binding. This is amazing. Look how beautiful and thick the pages are too. This is just such an incredible moment. And I just want to reflect for a moment to think back when I first started this whole book idea, when I was sitting with my husband talking and we were brainstorming about ideas. It was a really special time, and look where it is now. It's completed. How exciting is that? Wow, I am just absolutely blown away with joy and with happiness. I can't believe it. It's just incredibly beautiful. I knew it would be, but imagine this, that, you know, you have an imagination of what it's going to be like, and then to actually see it and it is what you expect. That is just beyond what I could imagine. So a massive thank you to 1010 Printing. I'm really, really grateful. And to Melinda Martin, you are amazing, the best director ever. So Thank you to everybody who's helped with this book and all the people that were involved in the project. My whole team, Nae Merrill, for your incredible skills in editing. Everybody's helped to bring this to be the wonderful book it is today. And of course to my lovely family too, have supported me, and to Samaya, who's given me so many ideas throughout the book, and Aisha with her input too. And just everybody who's helped to bring this dream alive for me, because I now feel that I can send this little book proudly out into the world, and I can't wait to see the influence it has on little children's lives, and you know, just to be able to give this gift out into the world as people bring it into their homes, as you bring it into your home if you've ordered a copy of the book already. I just can't wait. Now, the actual 1,000 copies that are on order, they're at the moment being shipped across the ocean. So all the books will be arriving soon. And in about a month, I think it is, that they'll be here. So around about the 21st of February, the whole package comes. But now you've seen it with me, this initial, you know, these initial first 2 copies. I can't wait, and I'm going to keep you informed of all the progress as we travel along. So yeah, now I can't wait for the 1,000 copies to come. Okay, bye for now, and thanks for enjoying this moment with me.